Welcome to this video walkthrough of a Medford 1-bedroom, 3rd floor unit. So walking down this corridor, they have closets at the end of it. Open living room right here, carpeted throughout, heat and hot water included. We have a standard bathroom standing shower tub combo, toilet, vanity, sink, some cabinet space. Then we have the kitchen, lots of cabinets, counter space, fridge, gas stove, counter space, sink, more cabinets, more counter space. Then we have the bedroom, a couple of windows, carpeted throughout most of the apartment. Decent sized closet. I mean, it's a big closet. Yep, heat and hot water included again. 3rd floor. If you have any more questions or anything, you can reach out to Angel at Leopold McMasters. Thanks for checking it out.